Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But just want to get things updated here as price pulled back here a little bit. And there is some perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then sure, the price did pull back. But again, within the big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base and therefore build upon the long-term uptrend. And from a bullish perspective, that's the name of the game. Long-term uptrends is what you want to see. So I'm going to be talking about things from the bigger picture. So if I'm sitting here calling something bullish and you think I sound crazy, my guess would be you probably had a different strategy, upon your entry. So first thing I want to do is a little house cleaning. Yes, this line here still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, want to try to keep this as clean as possible and really just focus on 2 levels right now that I guess 3 now that I look at it. But the main level right now is going to be the area of resistance, and that sits right there at 0.015. Nothing new there. Talked about that in yesterday's video, but that remains, the key battleground. Yes, the price did temporarily get up above it this morning, but the price could not maintain above it. Therefore, still got to consider this an area of resistance. And then the other key overall level that I talked about yesterday, down here at 0.011. Although this is about to not become irrelevant, but more so just become second priority, because as you see right here, the purple line, which is kind of the overall trend indicator, is about to cross over. That is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to continue to move upwards and then eventually cross above that line. So when that happens, priority number 1 in terms of support becomes staying up above that. And then if the price falls below there, then you start to talk about 0.011 again. But, as it stands right now, technically 0.011 still that top priority level of support. But like I said, price is about to, cross up above it. So that'll then take priority after that point. So as it stands right now, again, big picture perspective, still plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And that's the name of the game. So we'll see what the bulls have in store for the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.